Would you look at this? That is aggravating and annoying. Oh, that's not the only one. Look at this. What the hell, man? I am Adventure Steve, and if you've got a kayak handle problem like I have on mine, I got a $7 solution. So you may have to drill a hole through the webbing when they make these. The webbing is through the hole, so I'm just gonna make a simple little hole right there to help that screw get started, and the same thing on the other handle. All right, we're good to go. Okay, there you go, finished project. I've been procrastinating on this, and now I got it done. The weather's getting warm, time to go kayaking. Okay, I'm glad that's done, and I'm not showing you this trying to make any money, because literally it's $7, and I think Amazon would pay 2% commission, so that would be 14 cents if you buy it through my link. But mainly just letting you know, because I procrastinated. I knew they needed replaced, and one day Amazon showed those in my feed, and I said, yes, thank you very much, I'll buy them now. So I'm glad to get that over, because the kayaking season, the warm weather is here, it's upon us, so it's going to be really helpful that I got those handles back on my kayak. I'm Adventure Steve, and I'll see you in the next video.